Lean began on the factory floor of Toyota in post-war Japan, where resources were scarce and survival demanded efficiency. Engineers Taiichi Ono and Shigeo Shingo developed the Toyota production system built on two pillars: just in time, making only what is needed when it is needed, and Jidoka, building in quality so defects stop the line instantly. They added concepts like pull, flow, and relentless waste elimination. The system let Toyota produce higher quality cars at lower cost than Western rivals, stunning the industry. In the 90s, researchers codified the approach and named it Lean. Its influence now reaches hospitals, banks, and offices worldwide. Understanding the Toyota origins matters because every Lean tool you will meet traces back to this single, battle-tested philosophy of respect for people and elimination of waste.